Crackers, cheese, honey and pepper flakes. Wow, lasang Pasko. Tara, let's get foodies. I got you.
Of course, I'm a ka-foodie for the Shalaang person. Oh, wag ka mainggit, beshi. Sponsored yan. Tada! Drum rolls! Welcome to Medley Buffet at Okada. This is their fresh juice station. Pili ka na sis. Cold cut station. Parang siya ng lamig na. Char. Ohayo gozaimasu. Welcome to the Japanese station. Kung ikaw ay may sweet tooth, parang ako, sobrang sweet, this is the dessert station. May kasamang ilang breakfast din dyan. Here naman is your omelette, sashimi, then you have your honey and dips, and cheese station. Yeah, this is our table, and of course, the view. This is my food plate. So you have the French toast, Chinese vegetable dumplings, and pizza.
Japanese tofu.
A bite of takoyaki pizza. Next is the vegetable dumplings. Saving the best for last, the French toast is so yummy to die for. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ko. Gusto ko pang ulitin.
Masarap yung French toast.
Ang sarap ng sardinas.
Coffee break muna tayo. Parang sila, kailangan minsan naghihiwalay din. Char! Second food plate. Trying the roasted potato sticks. Savoring the crackers. Parang siya. Char! Obvious naman, a cheese lover ako. Ako lang naman yung hindi niya kayang mahalin. Char! Hoy, wag ganon. Now, that crispy bacon. Don't mind my hair. For my third food plate. That's my second coffee. Kung kanina Spanish latte, ngayon for the espresso tayo. Tapang-tapangan. After my second set of bacon, now we're going to the poached egg. So, that will be all. I hope nagutom kayo. And tomorrow is day 2 of our Okada buffet. Ta-ta! Isang kagandang araw ka foodies. Chicken teeth na punong-puno ng collagen and siomai ba ang trip mo? Well, I got you ka foodies. Welcome to day 2 of Medley Buffet. Dito lang yan sa Okada. Tara, eats ka foodies! So, ayun na nga, na-late kami ng gising. Parang siya ang tagal-tagal bago dumating. Ito yung hindi ko napakita kahapon. This is the breakfast station. Ito yung mga cereals. So, lahat tayo magpanggap na tayo ay healthy living. Nandito tayo sa salad station. Hello, Coach! Bread and pastry heaven to die for. Favorite ko dito yung French toast and then their butter croissant. Ito yung station na favorite na ating sponsor, si Tita Lani at si Tita V. Thank you so much. Na-miss kasi nila yung kakanin. So now we're on the Arabian and Mediterranean dishes. Ito yung dulong area kung saan tabi-tabi yung Japanese, Chinese, and Korean station. Ayan yung favorite ko, yung pork siomai to die for. Let's go on a food tour at pumili ng pumili until mahanap na natin yung tamang tao. Ay, Mr. Right, wag ganon. This is the Filipino dishes. Nag-skip muna tayo sa kanila kasi tikpan natin yung hindi natin nakakain daily. Ito yung kanilang ramen and shabu-shabu station. Pipili ka anong soup base, anong type ng noodles, and then anong toppings. In-experience natin paano ba maglagay ng toyo. That is our seafood soup. And then we have the duck, the pork siomai, butter croissant, French toast. for the taste test na tayo. Yum, to die for. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ko. Plus, yung soy sauce nila is really authentic, not on the salty side. Yung chicken or duck or whatever, masarap, tender siya. Diretso na tayo sa soup. So, this is seafood. A bit spicy on the side, pero goods naman. Maraming ginger, so na-enjoy ko. And after the soup, kailangan tayong mag-clean ng palate. So, coffee muna tayo. This is the luxury that I've been dreaming of. Slow mornings, and then you sip your coffee and tulala at the moment. Ito yung pinag-customize nating noodles doon sa may shabu-shabu area, Japanese ramen area. So, ayan. It's time to dig in and taste anong kinalabasan. Eto, titigan muna kami ng soup at ng noodles kasi hindi pa ako ready. Simulan natin sa broth. Siyempre, masarap niyan. Akong pumili niyan eh. Now, for the noodles. Kunwari marunong mag-chopstick. Ayan, struggle is real. Pero, syempre, we're moving and we're getting better. One step at a time. Thanks sa mga friends ko. While I'm savoring this, I hope nag-enjoy kayo and nagutom as well. So, that would be all. Until next time, ta-ta!